Open it up.
Ooh.
What is in there? What is that? What's in there? There's a cow in there?
No.
Okay. Is that a barn? Do you like it? It's a barn, huh?
What do you say?
Can you tell Grandma Great?
Thank you.
Can you say thank you? Wow. That's a barn, huh? Do you want to wait and open more presents and we'll open it up and play with it later? Okay? Say thank you. Now what do we want to open? This one back here?
Yeah.
You just want all the big ones?
Yeah.
Okay. This one's to Carson from Grandma and Grandpa Hilliard. Grand Gramps. Let's see, should we turn it this way? And then you should be able to open it. Right here. What's up with that? More paper?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, keep ripping. Keep ripping. Tear, yep. Keep tearing. What is it? It's cars?
No.
Can you tear that off so we can see what it is? You want Mommy to help you? Is this one taking too long? There. Pull. This one's in it now. Pull it. What is this? Should we turn it over? What is that? Are there people in there? Whoa.
Let's write.
Is that pretty cool?
Oh.
Can you tell Grand Gramps thank you? What do you say?
Uh-oh.
Push it. Do you say thank you?
Let's